Hello and welcome to our instructional video on how to solve for the variable in an equation. In this video, we will be focusing on the equation 3 times x minus 1 equals 8. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of the steps needed to solve for the variable x. So let's get started. To solve for the variable in the equation 3x minus 1 equals 8, the first step is to isolate the term with the variable on one side of the equation. In this expression, we notice that the variable x is part of the term 3x. To begin isolating this term, we need to eliminate the minus 1 that is next to 3x. To do this, we will perform the addition of 1 to both sides of the equation. This step is crucial because it helps in maintaining the balance of the equation. So we start by adding 1 to the left side of the equation, which modifies the expression from 3x minus 1 to simply 3x. This procedure is mirrored on the right side of the equation, where we add 1 to 8, altering the right side from 8 to 9. Thus, after performing this step, the new equation becomes 3x equals 9. By adding 1 on both sides, we effectively removed the minus 1 on the left side, making the equation simpler and easier to solve. This step ensures that we have successfully isolated the term that contains the variable on one side of the equation. In step 2, our goal is to solve for the variable x once we have the simplified equation 3x equals 9. To achieve this, we must isolate x. Currently, the equation tells us that 3 times x equals 9. In order to find the value of x, we must reverse the multiplication by 3. To reverse the multiplication, we will divide both sides of the equation by 3. This step will make the term containing the variable, which is 3x, become just x. Let us proceed by performing the division on the left side first. When we divide 3x by 3, we are left with just x. This calculation simplifies the term, effectively isolating the variable. Next, we also need to divide the right side of the equation by 3. When we divide 9 by 3, we get the value 3. Therefore, dividing both sides of the equation by 3 transforms our expression from 3x equals 9 to x equals 3. By completing this step, we now have the value of the variable x. The final simplified form of the equation is x equals 3. Thus, this step is the final step. Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped. And if it did, please drop me a like.